So I've just spent recently £11,000 to receive a day with Gary Vaynerchuk. I mean, I don't know whether I'm going to get a really good return on investment or not, but I love Gary Vaynerchuk. He's a massive inspiration to me. And if I can pick his brain all day about business, investments, marketing, you know, he's worth a lot of money and he does what he does very, very well. So if I can get one nugget, I think it will be worth the £11,000. So let's see how it goes. I'll be documenting the journey today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Firstly, it's been awesome, so thanks so much. Every time I've ever done it, followed your advice, it's always worked really well. In regards to personal brand, I'm really excited
By
about
the way, on that note, because it's
Yeah.
important, there's a single reason why I'm winning. I've only given advice I've lived through. It is the best way to go about it if you decide to build your brand in any way.
Yeah.
Don't reach. Don't assume or guess or borrow. I know nothing about what anybody else says. I know nothing. Like, you'd be blown away by how much is I've never consumed anything of anybody. Just always give advice you've lived. That's why people get benefit from it. You've already seen it work. And then when you get good and realize what you're unique about so that you can hedge it, because I'm like, oh, I'm extroverted, so this won't work for an introvert. Or I'm high risk, and then you get better at the way you give it because you start nuancing it.
Yeah. Yeah. So in regards to personal brand, I'm really quite excited about the challenge I'm going to do next month. I've got a lot of people really excited about it. I've no idea how I'm going to document it. I don't know whether I'm going to do it as like vlog style or make more of a professional documentary with Nick. I'm just trying to work out.
Do both.
Yeah.
Get Nick a Rick, have two different films, like people, and like make both. Have him post-produce a documentary, and have Rick do the vlog.
Okay, and do it twice.
Yeah.
Would you put it out there live as I'm going, or would you do it later, or both?
I think you can do both, man.
Yeah.
I think what you'll need to do for the documentary, or the thing that's a longer production, is find an angle that isn't being played out in day-to-day and vlog, so that it makes the core group want to watch that as well.
Yeah.
Needs to be a behind-the-scenes, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe, right? Maybe you're Gary Vee on the vlog, but Gary Vaynerchuk in the documentary.
Yeah, sure.
Like the documentary of me, I've given you a lot of glimpse to it here. Like all of you are like, oh shit.
Yeah.
Right? The smartest of you in this room are like, oh wait a minute.
Yeah.
Like it's way more serious than I actually thought.
Yeah.
Because I've given you 4 or 5 data points to like show you. I'm like showing you a little like, got it? You might be able to do that.
Yeah.
You might be able to star in the vlog and be the mastermind behind it.
Yes.
In the doc.
That's awesome.
And what you can do in the doc then is also say, and look, let's not forget, I did come with my knowledge.
Yeah.
I started at zero. I can start at 0 and win every time too because I've got the IP.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
Okay. Love that.
Like without you acknowledging that, it undermines your entire premise.
Yeah.
Like cool, you start at 0, you fucking have 10 years of experience, you knew exactly what to look for.
Yeah.
That's why I can't do it. I'm kitchen mom Susan, I don't know shit about 10 years of experience.
Yeah.
It could also be a launching pad for you to put out free content of the nuances of the 10 years.
Sure, okay.
See where I'm going?
I love that.
Hey guys, it's Gary Vee. Samuel's big challenge is coming. If you're as excited as D-Rock is, you're fucking pumped.